Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we have a lesson about frequency adverbs. Frequency adverbs means in Arabic ظروف التكرار. ظروف التكرار تعنيها في اللغة العربية. For example, let's take an example. Of course, with the frequency adverbs, we use present simple. For example, I have breakfast at 9 a.m. So, أنا آكل الفطور الساعة 9 صباحا. Now, what are the frequency adverbs? Let's take the frequency adverbs. Frequency adverbs, for example, for 100%, يعني 100% أنا أكرر هذا الأمر. Okay, we use always. For example, 90%, I use usually. For 80%, for example, okay, we use often. Of course, you can say often or often. Both of them are correct. Next one, 70%, for example, we can use sometimes. Okay? Less than that, okay, for example, 50%, I can use hardly ever. What does that mean, hardly ever in Arabic? It means بالكاد. أنا بالكاد أعمل هذا الشيء. Less than that, for example, you can say, for example, 30%, we can use rarely. Rarely means نادرا. نادرا in Arabic. Last one, if it is 0%, for example, okay, we use never. Never. So, always, usually, often, sometimes, hardly ever, rarely, and never. Now, how can we use them in the sentence itself? Let's put them in the sentence. Let us see the sentence. The sentence itself, you know that it's subject. Have, it's what? It's verb. Of course, breakfast is object, and that one is the complement of the sentence. Where can I put frequency adverbs? I need to put them here, between the subject and the verb. So, I have a breakfast at blah blah blah, okay? What it becomes? It will become I usually have breakfast at 9 a.m. So, أنا عادة آكل الفطور أو آخذ الفطور الساعة 9 صباحا. Okay? So, we use the frequency adverb, okay? Frequency adverb between the subject and the verb. But we have a very important idea here. If we have be, which is, of course, you know that am, is, or are in the present simple, we need to put the frequency adverb after them. So here we have the frequency adverb. For example, I am late. أنا متأخر. I am late. Now, this is the subject and this is the verb. Okay? We put the frequency adverb after this one. Okay? So, I am, for example, never late. أنا أبداً لست متأخر. أنا أبداً ما بتأخر. Okay? I am never late. Sorry. So, if we have be and is are, we need to use the frequency adverbs after them, not before them. If we have another verb, okay, for example, have, speak, writes, blah, 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 okay, we use it between the subject and the verb. And that's all for today.